Yeah, the boys, Auntie Lucy and Amy, we're mucking out and cleaning the horses. Oh,
It's very muddy. I think not behind the horse, maybe go all the way down or come back on the front. Okay, but because the horses can kick.
Yeah, I know that from comics. Ew, a horse.
hello. Hello. Ooh, pig. Oh, hello. Oh.
I'm pushing.
Caleb, what we're doing?
We're helping Auntie Lucy with the horse.
You're alright.
Hello. Oh, you got short hair.
I suppose Milo's the oldest. Milo's the oldest, yeah. Don't knock my drink over, though.
What are you up to, Jesse?
No, go on, brush him.
Jesse, what are you up
You
to?
can get in close with him, he's alright. Brushing this horse. This one's much dirtier.
Yes.
You're going to stick with Pandy?
I just need to get.
Come here, you're alright, come here. There you go, buddy. Come here.
Hey.
He does not want to be brushed.
I am avoiding being kicked.
Yeah, you won't get kicked, I promise.
Wait.
That one doesn't want to be brushed. Come here, Beau. They're pretty chill. He's scared in case Milo comes and gets him because Milo's naughty.
Why is Milo naughty?
Because Milo's boss.
Ah, right.
So if he doesn't want Bodie round here, don't let Bodie round here.
What?
Pick it up. It's alright, you're alright, he's not going to get you. He's just nosy.
They're just so intimidating.
I know. If his nose comes round here, use your other hand to block him. Push him. Yeah? Push his head away. He's itching. Back up. There you go, so just block him like that. Yeah, that's it.
My right hand is
What's
for
that?
blocking.
Oi, don't bite me. It's my hoodie.
Yeah, Jesse, find your hands.
Who's a good?
No, he won't. He'll lick you.
I'm okay with licking. I'm just not okay with kicking.
No,
they won't kick, I
promise. Nobody's going to kick unless they get this one. He's really something. Hold your hand out. How old is he now?
I think. What's his name? What's his name? Pandy.
So remember when we
I think Pandy's.
we remember Caleb when we made more of a pain in the back. So yeah, Milo's 20, Bodie's 10.
I'm in a very risky spot.
You're alright.
And Pandy's how old?
Pandy's 4 this year.
Oh, you got my attention, huh?
A lot of age difference for little size difference. Yeah. Well, like 10 years.
Alright. They're just telling each other up. It's a bit like you and Jesse, really, isn't it? Yep. Milo's like, I'm just over here, okay? Good. I got him that ball the other day when I went home.
What are you doing, Jesse?
How much do you reckon that ball was?
What's their favourite treat?
You're brushing.
Stupid money or an absolute bargain? Stupid money. 45 quid. For a plastic bottle. But it stops them just gobbling the hay rather than put it down.
Are you having fun, Caleb, or are you scared?
I'm a bit scared and I'm having fun. So it's a bit of emotion.
Hey, Caleb, can we swap please?
Well,
Caleb, can we swap brushes?
They go in overnight. Yeah, you can take some.
Can we swap brushes? I need to do it. Please, can we swap brushes?
Yes, you can swap brushes,
Caleb,
but you need to get the work with the
Go in
horse.
front of him.
Caleb. Come on. Why? Because he needs his hair, then she.
okay.
Yeah, have a swap.
I need to get out of it.
Come, just hand me.
Go on, you're alright, I promise. I've got him, go on. Come on, Jill, come on, do it. There we go.
Should I still brush?
Yeah, go for it.
Just watch the back.
Yeah, you can brush it harder. So we're
I know I haven't worked around horses, but blimey, that is a massive, massive muck pile. It's taller than me, and it's also about 20 feet long. Whoa. Look at the size of its weight, it's massive.
Full. Full. Push him over, Caleb.
He will nibble if you let him. Be careful.
Oh,
Yeah, Bodie licks. Hands
Hey,
will
when
nibble.
I put my
He will gather them fingers into his mouth and go nom 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 nom. Yeah. Carry on.
What would Milo do?
Milo just generally stays out of the way and he's not bothered. He'll say hello.
Haley, what's happening?
we're going to take one of the ponies up to watch.
Yeah, we need to get the hose off of this wheel here. So can you unclip it? You're alright. You won't get it. Just unclip it there. Unclip that, and we're gonna drag it all the way up. Just pull. It's a quick release. Just pull.
Oh, hold on.
Ooh. There we go.
Go.
Drag it all the way up to the bridge. Come on, you. Go up and over the bridge.
Up and over.
Right, so we've got to take it back into the back garden. Okay. On the gate, go on, try not to fall into the ditch.
Fall into the ditch. Fall into the ditch.
It's chesty.
Fall into the ditch. Oh, that's a big step up.
And then take it out the front gate, Caleb. So down the side of the house. That's it. Keep going. That's it, that'll do. That'll do. Are you there? Yeah, you he's at the there.
Uh,
front. Come on, you.
Is something blocking it?
You be careful, that might be on. For all you know. No, don't point it at Milo.
Okay, then
No,
I'll point
not
it
yet.
out.
Not yet. Let's start to skate and then work your way up. That's it. And then come up. There we go. Get him all wet. The whole of him, apart from his face. Don't put it on his face yet. Be pinching.
Can I do the other side of them?
Right, no, this side still needs some work. There's still dry patches. Try not to get daddy.
Get
That's
daddy.
it.
Get daddy.
Yeah. We'll do his body first. Right. Okay, so I'll move his leg. Oh no, the indignity of it all. Right. There you go, look at that neck. That's it. Just stand and hold his head, Amy.
If you don't mind, I'm sorry.
Good.
No, we'll go on the other side.
Yeah,
Wait.
come on then. Alright.
Oi!
Alright.
Oi!
Caleb. Caleb, not me.
Sorry.
Really? Sorry, Milo. It's their first time. Don't hit the button. Alright.
We do it for
for now. I'll do it all the way up there. Miles up. That's it. A bit more effort in. And maybe more bubbles there, Jessie. Keep dipping it in so it gets loads of water. That's it. Come on.
Jessie,
Looking good.
This bit's dry.
Yeah, we'll dip it in, scoop the water. Go. There we go.
Does he like it or hate it?
He likes it.
You're a bit soft.
That's it. More. You need more water there, Caleb, and do circles, okay, to really work out that muck. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
It's like what if we brush the first two and we cleanse the other one?
Yep.
Which equals they all got brushed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
So
quite a
we
lot.
want we want all of these white patches to shine, like they're actually white.
Rather than what, Mum?
Rather than brown. Yep. Don't we, Milo? Let me give him a rinse off. Put it on his back. Voila. There you go. Wash his mane out.
You got a squeegee there, Caleb.
Yeah. You know how much water it could be.
They're not like chickens, are they?
Is that side job?
Chickens just stay dirty.